morning classes, student. So today in our maths class we are going to start our next exercise, which one is exercise 8b. So in the exercise 8b we are going to add our money. We are going to take addition in money, right? If we have 60, if we have 50, that becomes 110 rupee, right? So let's do some addition here. Okay, as we have done some work in our previous class, which one is add the following amounts of money, which we have to done in our book. Hope you have done this. If you not done this, okay, we will just take the answers. So the first one where we have to plus 14 rupees 60 paise and 22 rupees 55 paise, answer is 37.15 paise, right? In the second one where we have 29 rupee 9 paise, we have to add 48 rupees 37 paise. When we add this, we got what we got? We got 77.46 paise. Okay, I will do on the board. Hope this will be good for you. Okay, let's do this first. As we have second one, the first one we have done in our previous class. So let's start from the B1, which means it's only second sum. We are going to start it. So the second sum is rupees and paise. We have to divide it, right? The rupees are 29 and 48, and the next one is 09 paise and 37 paise here, and we have to add this one. So very clearly you can see the answer is 4677. We have to take here point. So the answer is rupees 77.46 paise, right? So we have to give this answers like this. Okay, we have to take a decimal here between them to differentiate about what is rupee, which one is rupee and which one is paise. Okay, so the second answer is 77.46 paise. Then the third answer, which means C equation answer, is 68 rupees 0.6 paise, right? Then the D one is 330 rupees and 12 paise. We have to add 70 rupees in it with 0 paisas. So this will be the addition of 3407.12 paise. 347 is rupees and 12 is paise. So by this method you have to add all these money by yourself just on your book, right? The first one is clear, first term is clear. Let's do the second one. The second one, which is given in the statement, right? Find the sum by arranging the figures under rupee and the paisa column respectively. So as we can see in our just left side, the equation form, which means how to we have to arrange them in a figures, which means how to arrange them in rupees and how to arrange them in a paisa, we have to do in this following sum, right? Let's do this. As we have divided, we have arranged our rupee and paisa in a different sections. Let's do this on board. Okay, the first one is, okay, the first one is 109, which means this one is rupee and this one is 30 paisa. Okay, and here is 31 rupee and here is 95 paisa. Okay, now we have to add it. You can see 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 goes to here, 9, 10, 11. 1 will be here. 3 become 4, 1. So you can see here how much is rupee? 141 rupee we have and 25 paisa is here. So rupee 141 rupee 0.25 paise. Okay, let's do the second one. In the second one, okay, the second one is 177 rupee 70 paise and 200 have to add 208 rupee we have to add, and how much paisa we have to add? 13. Okay, so here will be 13. The equation is like, we have to differentiate. You can see here is written rupees 177.70 paise. Then the second amount is 200 rupee and the third amount is 13 paisa. So how we will write it? So take a look. Okay, as we have three amounts, right? In the second one we have 208 rupees and we don't need to write paisa because this one is 208 rupees. And then in the third equation, which one is 13. So we will 13 take a paisa because written as paisa. Okay, let's do this. Firstly, we will do from paisa. 0, 0, 3. Paise is 3. 7, 1, 8. 7 and 8. Okay, we have to add all these things. So the answer will be 385 and 83 paisa. 385. By adding this, we will got our answer. Okay. The next one is, okay, now this one is the find the sum. Hope you will got the all answer as the same method I have given here. With this method you can solve all these sums. Okay, if you have the 2-digit number, which means a rupee and paisa, if we have 3-digit number like this, then you can solve this sum by this method. Okay, let's do the other one. So now in the third equation, what we have to add them. As we are doing that, find the sum arranging by the figure and rupees. Now we are arranging this one, but now we have to add this. So we having four equations, right? Firstly, we having rupees 746 rupees 17 plus rupees 4.82, then plus 95 paise plus rupee 1.0.2. So let's take this, how we will do this one. Okay, so students, you can see here is 4 equation we have, which means we have to add the 4 kind of rupees, which means as we have first rupee 746.17 paise, and then we have to add the 25 rupees 0.82 paise, and again we can see we have to add 90 paise with rupee 1.0 paise. How we will add these equations? So you can see, as we have to divide rupee and paise into different divisions, you can see there is paisa and there is rupee. Firstly, we will see which one is rupee. This one is rupee, right? So we will write here 746 rupee will be here and 17 paise will be go to paisa section, right? Then 25 rupee will be here and 82 paisa will be here. Now you can see here in the third equation, which means third sum is 90 paise, only 90 paise, where is no rupees, right? So we will take only 90 paisa in the 90 paisa section. Okay. Now here is nothing in the third equation, so we will not write it here anything. So you can see the last one, which means fourth sum we have to add 1 rupee 0.02 paisa. So this one is 1 rupee and this one is 0.2 paisa. So now how we will add this one? So let's add this first. Okay. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 will be here and 1 go to as carry. Okay. Then now you can see 1 and 8 become 9. 9 and 9 become 18. 18 and 1, 19. Okay. Now it's 19. We will take 1 to other column. To this column. Okay. Now 6 and 5, 11, 12 and take 1 carry, it's become 13. Okay. 13. The carry will be go to other column, right? 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 1, 7. Okay. And then what is left? 7 is left, so 7 will be here. The answer will be 773 rupees, as we will write rupees and then take a point and 91 paise. Okay, so the answer will be like this. If you have any problem remember to write in a good step, in a right step. Okay, how I have written here? Firstly, I have taken the section rupee and paisa. Then I have learned the equation first, how the sums are added here. So firstly I will take rupee will be taken here and paisa will be taken here. Okay, so this one equation we have to write in a right step, then we will get the right answer. Hope you will get my words properly, because this one is very easy, but when we do in a wrong method, that become our wrong addition. Okay students, let's do the other one. The other one is how we have to add the rupees 87 plus 92 paise plus rupee 222.22 paise. Okay, and the third equation is 5 paise. How we will add this in the same situation, in the same equation, just like this equation. How to do? Just so this one is the second sum. Okay students, so we have to add the rupees and paisa again. So we have divided rupees and paisa in the different columns. So let's start to addition. I am repeating my equation again and again just for you students to take a look and just do yourself how we have to take the rupees on which side and how to we divide the paisas in the other sides. Okay, then you will get your answer. So students, we will add firstly paisa. We will start from our right side. Now there is 2 and there is 5. It becomes 7. Okay, here is 9 and here is 2, which become 10. So 0 will be here and 1 go to carry, right, as we are doing in addition. So students, here is 7 and here is 2, right. 7, 8, 9 and 1 become 10. So here will be 0 and 1 go to here. Okay, 8 and 1, 9, right. 9 and 2 become 11. Okay, 11. 1 will be here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This one is rupees and this one is paisa. Now how we have written? So you can see rupees will be 187 will be here and 92 paisa is here. Okay. Yes, I am right. Here will be 0 because there is no paisa. With the 187 there will be 0, and when we come to 92, which means our second sum is 92 paisa, right, we have right in the paisa section. We don't have rupee in that section, so we will take up blank and then come to the third equation where we have 222 paisa, right, and 222 rupees and 20 paisa will be here. And in the third, there only one thing, that is 5 paisa. We have taken here 5, and there will be nothing in the section of rupees. Then we will add our sum, and its answer is 410 rupees and 7 paisa. Okay, this one is our answer. Hope you got it. Right students? How we have to add this one? We have to take a section of rupees and paise. Then we will do this one, and we have to add just as we add the numbers. As in the first equation, what we learn about it, that as we are adding the numbers, we have to add the money. But money, we have to following that system of columns as we learn from the addition, right? Thank you students.